Look at the way modern software is currently managed, and you will see a system under increasing strain. While we have spent years moving every business process onto the desktop, a different approach is now emerging from the physical world. Many business leaders are reaching a breaking point with subscription rent, the cycle of paying monthly fees for bloated software that rarely uses its full feature set. Every day, we encounter the same digital hurdles: forced logins, mandatory updates, and the friction of navigating app stores just to access a simple tool. When these tools become this heavy and high maintenance, they stop being facilitators and start acting as barriers to actual human connection. This friction exists because shouting into social media algorithms ignores a fundamental part of our biological wiring. Dunbar's number illustrates that our brains are physically limited to maintaining about 150 stable relationships. Compare this grounded limit to the impossible scale of social media platforms, where thousands of voices compete in a constant stream of noise. Real-world business still follows a specific human sequence. You know someone, you like them, you trust them, and only then do you introduce them to others. Modern software often tries to bypass this progression in favor of infinite scale, but in the process, it tends to sacrifice authentic trust. To fix this, we have to look back at the physical world and a technology known as Phygital, a bridge between tangible objects and digital data. Modern print has changed. It is no longer a static medium. It has become a physical doorway that leads directly to mobile content. The mechanical trigger is simple. A physical NFC tap or quick QR scan activates the connection between the object in your hand and the screen. This inverts the internet model we have used since the 90s. Instead of searching for a site on a desktop, the physical world now tells the smartphone exactly what to display. This turns a simple piece of print into a zero-friction interface, immediately connecting a physical interaction to the internet. What happens immediately after that tap is what solves the problem of digital exhaustion. Because the connection is physical, you can bypass the traditional hurdles of App Store downloads, mandatory password screens, and search engine results. The tap deploys a progressive web app, or PWA. Systems like Maltix Go and Tribe use this to send a full mobile interface directly to a smartphone without requiring a traditional installation. There is no delay. You avoid the clunky, lagging experience of a desktop-bound website and move straight into a tool designed for the way we actually use phones. By combining physical print with these instant apps, the user journey becomes a single, streamlined motion. This shift has a direct impact on how professional networking ecosystems operate at scale. When you anchor digital access in a real-world physical interaction, you restore the high-trust environment of a direct referral. This is visible in Maltix Connect. By using this high-trust model, the network has grown to nearly 90,000 members without relying on traditional social media broadcasting. It demonstrates that a physical-to-digital ecosystem scales human connections more effectively than chasing empty impressions online. You can see how this works in practice right now with a few simple steps. To experience this connection firsthand, you can visit Williams' eCard through the link on your screen. You are also invited to drop into the weekly Maltix Monday event at 2 p.m. UK time, which is 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 a.m. Pacific. The result is a system where you can show up and connect with others instantly, with absolutely no registration required.